action.
Hi, my name is Wilson.
And I'm Kate Falco.
We are here to discuss a new holiday.
That's right, Wilson.
Here are some facts about J.K. Rowling. J.K. Rowling loved fantasy stories. For example, Harry Potter.
Did you know that she is the 12th richest woman?
No, I did not.
And
Did you know that she lived in Paris?
no. She was born on July 31st, 1995. Now back to you.
Thanks. See you next time.
Okay, good. All right, not bad.